Good afternoon, YouTube. My name is Clarence, and this video this afternoon is how to bleed your power steering system. Say you start your car up and you hear a whining noise, a real loud whining noise. First thing you want to do is you want to check your power steering fluid to make sure that the level is not low. Next thing you want to check to make sure you don't have any leaks. And if the fluid level is good and you don't have any leaks, the next thing you want to do is consider bleeding it. And this is a real quick one here. I'm going to tell you how to bleed it in no time whatsoever. Bleeding is real simple. A lot of guys, maintenance guys, they believe in lifting the wheels up off the ground. You can lift the wheels up off the ground. Tonight is kind of a quick video, so I'm not going to lift the wheels up off the ground, but I am going to bleed the vehicle, and it's done in this manner. You open the hood, you find your power steering reservoir. You take the cap off the power steering reservoir, leave it off. You go start your vehicle up. You turn that vehicle all the way to the right, as far as it can go. Don't hold it too long, don't want to blow a seal. 3-4 seconds to the right, turn it back all the way to the left, 3-4 seconds, turn it back to the right, 3 or 4 seconds, and you just continue to do this anywhere from 3, 5, 7 times. And you'll notice that the winding or the issue with the steering will kind of go away. At the end, if you still didn't get it completely out, just repeat the process. Okay, turn it all the way to the left, 3 or 4 seconds. Turn it all the way to the right, 3 or 4 seconds. Turn it all the way to the left, 3 or 4, and you just keep doing, repeating the same process. And that's basically how you do it. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and start the car up, and I'm gonna go ahead and bleed the air out of the system. Shouldn't take but a couple minutes. Okay. Okay. Here's my engine. Power steering reservoir should be towards the front of the engine for all vehicles. And all I did was remove the cap. All I did was remove the cap. Now, once you remove the power steering cap for the power steering reservoir, different vehicles are going to be in different locations. This one is on this side. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go start the vehicle up. Okay, with the vehicle running, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn it all the way to the right, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, all the way back to the other side, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, all the way back the other way, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, all the way back to the other way, all the way back to the other way, all the way back to the other way, all the way back the other way, and all the way back to the other way. Back the other way. All the way back to the other way. Remember, all we're doing is bleeding the air out of the system. We remove the power steering cap and the power steering reservoir, and this is what you do. And if you notice, the whining noise is gone. okay? Okay, I'm back. Other than that, that's about it. When you put the cap back on, before you put the cap back on, check your reservoir or check your fluid level, your stream fluid level, to make sure that it's not low. If so, add as needed, and make sure you put the right kind of fluid in there. That was pretty simple. That's it as far as bleeding the air out of your stirring system. And once you do that, it's a wrap. I'm Clarence. Peace. Go to my channel, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you don't like it. I'll try to make the adjustment. And I'll see you at the next video. Peace.